Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE 8300 series revision video. This is from the June 2017 past papers. It's the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we pick it up in question 17, which reads: Liam drives his car. He drives the first 9 miles in 9 minutes. He then drives at an average speed of 70 miles per hour for 1 hour 36 minutes. He finds this information about his car. Average speed of 65 miles per hour or less, can travel 50 miles to the gallon, and more than 65 miles per hour can only get 40 miles to the gallon. Use this information to show that his car uses less than 3 gallons of petrol for the drive. Okay then, so well, let's have a look. He drives the first 9 miles in 9 minutes. Well, 9 miles in 9 minutes is 1 mile per minute, which is 60 miles in 60 minutes, which is 60 miles per hour. So 9 miles at 60 miles per hour, which is less than 65 miles per hour, means he gets 50 miles to the gallon. So he would have to travel 50 miles to get to go through 1 gallon. So he's using 9/50ths of a gallon. If I multiply top and bottom by 2, I get 18 over 100, which is 0.18 gallons. So in the first 9 miles he's used up 0.18 gallons. He then drives at an average speed of 70 miles per hour for 1 hour and 36 minutes. Okay, well that average speed of 70 miles per hour could be a little bit concerning. He might only travel at 60 miles per hour for an hour, and then he might absolutely gun it for the next 36 minutes to bring his average speed up to 70 miles an hour. So he might not always be getting 40 miles per hour, 40 miles per gallon. He might be getting 50 miles per gallon. But that's all right, because we're looking at what's the maximum amount of petrol he could possibly use. So if he does travel below 70 miles per hour and then speeds up, he'll be using less petrol than if he was going 70 miles an hour solid for the entire 1 hour 36 minutes. So let's say he's going 70 miles an hour for 1 hour and 36 minutes. So that's 70 miles per hour times 1 hour and 36 minutes. So 36 minutes is 36/60ths of an hour. We could actually simplify that, because 36 is 6 times 6 and 60 is 6 times 10. So cancelling the 6 from both top and bottom, we get 6 over 10, which is 0.6. So 1 and 36/60th is actually 1.6. So I'm just going to get my calculator and type this in. In fact, I'm going to just put hours. And that's equal to, let me get my calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator. So I'm just going to type in 70 times 1.6, which is 112 miles. Good to make sure I keep my units so I know what I'm doing. So 112 miles at 40 miles per gallon so that's equal to 112 divided by 40, and I'm going to want my calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator, so I've already got 112 in there, so I'm just going to divide by 40. and that's 2.8 gallons. 112 miles divided by 40 miles per gallon equals 2.8 gallons. Okay, so the total petrol is 2.8 plus 0.18 is equal to 2.98. No? Yes, 2.98. What's wrong with my mental arithmetic here? Okay, so that's 2.98 gallons, which is less than 3 gallons. So that is our final answer. So I could actually say which is less than 3 gallons. Actually, I'd rather not say that because I'm a little bit uncomfortable saying that. Okay, so getting back to our original point that he might have travelled in the 50 mile per gallon category for some amount of time and then gone into the 40 miles per gallon category. If he'd have done that, he would have used less than 2.98 gallons. And the question is saying use this information to show that his car uses less than 3 gallons of petrol for the drive. And he has in fact used less than 3 gallons. 2.98 gallons is the maximum amount he could have possibly used. Okay then, so this is all there is to it, and this is all the examiners expect from you for this question. I have a slight concern about this question because some people might view this as an issue of upper and lower bounds, and I'd like to deal with that in the next video if you may. So I'm going to label this a part 1 video, and I'm going to make another video dealing with it if you're worried about upper and lower bounds. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.